welcome to Ariana's Persian kitchen.
Thank you for having us, Ariana.
Thank you for coming.
Tell me, pink is definitely your favorite color.
I love pink, but my favorite color is blue.
I love these. What are they?
These are sort of giant cordial bottles, and they're filled with herbal and floral distillations.
And I love these domes.
Aren't
Wow.
they gorgeous? They're a replica of my home in Iran,
Okay.
in a city called Kashan.
Is that backgammon?
Absolutely. You want to play?
Yeah. Are you good at backgammon?
Are you kidding? I'm Iranian. Okay, let's go. Shisho bash. Oh, double six. Yes!
What?
Good start.